short evening broadcast. It's a sober one, just like so many places. I'm not sure there is any officers' mess where they are playing music today. And I thank the federal government for making tomorrow a public holiday. May Gaskia is gone. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Now, I'm not going to, as somebody that celebrated like so many people are doing today, when General Sani Abacha passed, I won't, and if there is anything anyone would tell me then not to celebrate, I believe I wouldn't, but over time, I began to realize. In fact, I didn't see most of the HATE as I expect. I expected them to be more erratic. I agree to Nuruddin, Namde, Chubirebu. I see you. Dotana, Water, well done, my brother. I agree, you guys. Please hit the like button and share the video. Chuko Diavuru, my brother, how far now? I got Mkenkene, man. Wakibia, I salute you. Which of the Buhari? No mind doing the nefwif. Many of them are there now rejoicing. No, let me block one also. So you don't go. Yeah. She been on, I say it goes since when? Where this this criminal Nando Kanu. No, Nahafuru Kanu was busy lying to you. We see adults, they were there shouting. See, do you know why I want to make this video? Is to still tell you people how Buhari will finish you people in 2027 election. No, now continue to the shout. Tomorrow morning I will make a video about that priest. Since during the day I've been holding myself. I decided not to make a video. In fact, I wanted not to make any video at all. I decided not to make any video at all. Just out of respect for this strong general. Go read his background. Didn't give excuse for life. Didn't give excuse for life. Being tough on him. He went through the school, do everything. Became a military guy to the point of a general, head of state. Ran for elections how many times and won, served for 8 years. You see, there are so many communities. Till the end of times, they will never see a man like this. Never. Never. And that's only Igbo. I remember growing up in Onitsha. Those days, somebody will say, please lend me small data and 1,000 naira was big money now. Please give me 1,000 naira. When they finish the second Niger bridge, I will give it to you. I will give it back. It means they will not give you that money because they know that second Niger bridge will only exist on newspaper. And I repeat, tell me, tell me, Maraba, Hope Obanye, Nasisi, Benchoki Yim, Nasigidio, Neresia, Istanbul, man. Hope Obanye. You understand, my people? I see one of our auntie here, longest time. Is that not Stella Monek? I'm seeing her picture there. This is Stella Monek. It must be her. Stella, if that is you, please type something. Those days, see where the promise started? From Shagari. From Shagari. This one say you are doing all this thing because of Facebook money. No, never cry. Now they don't demonetize this one. They get new one where I go launch. Now that place I go, they receive better money where you go, they cry. Never cry. Save this stress. So you go, the road long go. They wait there because you go take for there. You go to take. Okay? My people, Shagari promised us that bridge. We did not see it. Tamamabe. We did not see it. After Shagari, President Buhari came as this thing. Although I'm sure he didn't promise it, but he was toppled in a coup. After him, IBB came. That bridge did not come. The Niger, they did not dredge. After IBB, and Shonekon came. We no go count that one. Let's pass that one as one page. Swipe pass am. General Sani Abacha came. We did not see it. And the Kaludechi, madam. Okay? Under Obasanjo, Abu Salam Abubakar, he complete Abacha own. Obasanjo, come. Oga, we no see any bridge. Now, so contract in that word. Then the award dredging of River Niger, dredging of the Uguta Lake. Dalun the mamam non go on. You understand? Dredging of River Niger, we no see. Dredging of Uguta Lake, we no see. Bridge when year. Every year, they go, once they want, you don't reach when they go count budget. Then go carry bulldozers. Come. You see that Asaba side. They will come, they say they declare. You know what they declare them? As if not there the road supposed pass. So now where everybody where they come back from Lagos or where they go Lagos go resign, say then they walk. Groundbreaking ceremony happened there. So even the groundbreaking ceremony come they shake the existing old one. Come they shake the existing old one. At the end of the day, we know see Jonathan come. Our people. Now so them full Jonathan administration. Go check all the juicy positions where people get. Remember Parana program? One girl from Enugu. I didn't mean to insult you or talk to you in that manner in case you're hearing me. But for you to come and ask me what I have done for Ndibo or what I have done politically to help Ndibo, I'm not sorry to say this one. You know when I done they ask them, all these our people, aviation ministers, no single airport. Repair the one where they gone, we no see. This man became their flag. Now so then they waver. Oh, Buhari. Then they collect allocation. This one she criminal and the way they see them. Even told them that when they will give Southeast politicians or them down money from back, they will force them to bring it. And people believed it too. People believed it. Like this is the whole thing. This was why Okezi Bazu Peterazu na Benino. While Okezi Bazu was busy running about the point you to about where people they go now, no be Alex Oti. Okay, those of you that were attacking me for exposing Okezi Bazu, who ruined the Abba that you are rejoicing that Oti is fixing it now? What happened? And why didn't this Ekpediman Nandi Kanu open his mouth one day and face his governor? Lie, because of course they pay him. Yes. Then they pay him. They give him free hand to operate. That bridge, 2018, listen to me, from the Asaba side of those pillars to Oba side and the roundabout interchange, Oga, there is no one there that Jonathan erected. Let me tell you. Okay, before anybody tell you, ask them when Jonathan leave office, when they dredge River Niger. So they don't build the pillar before they come dredge River Niger. Now what do you mean? No people had dredge River Niger finish 2017, 2018. They start the bridge project. Make on answer me now. Then they dredge river before they build bridge. I mean, after they dredge river, they build bridge. So how Jonathan take build the bridge? How we take, like, since you know get sense, maybe. Since your brain know the work, then go put pillar, then come dredge river. You ought to share the again. And they are willing to lie against something that happened blatantly in our presence. On this page now, I just shared the contract. 2018, Julius Berger, every other thing from Shagari and everybody was cancelled. 2018, now that bridge starts. Son, they start up. Let me block one Uzu. Please, if I miss any bingo, let me know. We don't need all this man here. Which one did your Jonathan do for you? Hero, show us. Dave Umahi, most of those contracts where you do for Ebony State, Buhari reimburse am. Ebony Airport, FG reimburse am the money. Many of those capital projects, FG reimburse am the money. Is there anybody debating this thing now? This thing why I just talk. This thing why I just talk now. Is there any reasonable person debate? When I say anybody, I don't mean one man who being gonna which. Can you name like Ufun Kenabu Hesu? Enugu Airport say the upgrade and the way they like this, now the same group. Even gave them extra 10 billion supplementary budget. They could not still finish it. He had to come and do it for them again. Tell yourself the truth. Your job. Tell yourself the truth. You can call me any name you like, but one thing you can never call me is a lie. Udele, I the answer. I had the chop on away. Okay? Call me anything you like, but you will not call me a lie. So far, all the things I've said, if you can mention one that is a lie, delete this page. Okay? See this one. He say he was at the bridge when Jonathan erected. When? Which year? Bridge we start 2018. I been at that time where then go come put this thing inside water. So they know say you no get sense. Them know so na no get sense. They go carry equipment come. Which pillar you see before 2018? Where the pillar? I ask you again. Share the pillar they there before they dredge River Niger or after the dredging. Now, then they dredge River Niger before they put pillar, be after they put pillar. Yes. Did they dredge the River Niger after they put the pillar or before they put the pillar? You, which year did you go there and say it's under Jonathan? I have the timeline. It was dredged 2017 when they reopened that on the water port. Put one Igbo woman as customs head for there. The video still the BBC News Igbo now. We know it all. Emmanuel, you know, say on I think saying everybody get a good fish brain. On I think say everybody get good fish brain. We they remember and so we go they tell our children. Go lie to your own children. Go lie to your children how wonderful you are. Please, let me block one or two. You can be lying to your own children. I will tell my children and every kid around them the truth. No, nebe. Umwebesin. Ebdebe nebe. Okay, was Amechi a minister? under Jonathan. Amechi dredged the river. Was Amechi a minister under Jonathan? Come and lie now. See, go to your echo chambers where they are telling you people what you want to hear. Here is the bitter truth. Kenny Dalunwane. Here, you understand? You say which day you come back from Nigeria. See this one. So even when I die abroad, I know they follow news. Did Amechi dredge the river under Jonathan? The pillar where you are uselessly telling me you saw, I don't know where you foresee. No, share na Amechi come dredge and come out be waiting. I know get you see this one nonsense we una dey do. And let me even give you the prophecy. Then I go to what I'm doing. I will end the year and we will start geopolitical program soon. I don't do my own. I don't finish my job for so many places. We are going back to our geopolitical programs. All these ones don't finish. Okay. Now see my prophet, my prediction. 2027. The small gain any Southeast candidate go make for North, when I don't wipe him, this man don't wipe him again. Which means even in buying, he has destroyed you people's political ambition. He dealt with you when alive, he dealt with you, he will still deal with you when he's gone. You see all these things when they post, both that Catholic priest to nem keki mere Sami, Dana France, Dalun them longest time. You see all the political gains we una don't get, yeah. With all these things we una post, una don't wipe them out. Can't go not go collect vote now. Keep posting, keep typing, keep talking rubbish. You dey hear me? Then the screenshotter. You know, say them no be look at the left ear. Now your real thing then go show you. They know they follow you, they look at the left ear. You dey hear me? They know they follow you to look at the left ear. They will remember. Any party that will give anybody from the Southeast their ticket, I dey tell you, na third them go come. Number 3. If you like, do coalition. Me, my own, not to tell them, na they cry there. Nebenu, ndebenebe, umumwebe, nebenu. Better the one. I'm telling you the truth. After when it's done and dusted, they will announce the winner. I will come and remind you this broadcast. The whole Northeast and the Northwest. No Southeast flag bearer go see 50,000 votes. Now me they tell you, go rig anything where una dey see Southeast where people know they again. Now in 2023, una tell us say they get more votes in 2023 past 2019. Not the Kisha do no. Neben. Ezubo man nebe. Anebe. You see, I say you be demon. Call them, shout them. My own be say after election, I will come respond to honor. You know, say me, I go just talk and leave and there. Wait, where the good uncle finish. When I don't forget them, I go carry and come outside. Okay? Let's leave them and their politician. Okay? He says, second Niger bridge, apart from that one, your highways. Who gave you the best highways in the Southeast? Yes, in whose administration? You want call Jonathan, where all of us dey Southeast? In fact, Obasanjo don't even try pass Jonathan. Don Kelly, if you want reach me, Billy, Billy can get him, man. See, if this truth go by on her, more na go dey copy una burial ground o. Go dey pay for space. Because I want, for the sake of making you feel nice, not to offend pathetic little whining bitches, and they are not going to talk the truth. Una go dey cry. The truth go dey there. It will be established. Okay? The next generation no go make this same mistake wey our own generation make. No go possible. Samira, they beg them to wise up. Make them no wising up. Keep typing. You don't tire. Continue to the insult in person wey don't do your own go 82 years. Yojuku, they how many years back? Yojuku by a miserable by now. They know why they hide them for how long. Or you cry in the comment section. Not lie. The war criminal buy a horrible buying. Una forget say na P2B una come dey blame that time. Say they Wazirike call am that time. You know, give bring money in time. Ne benu. He has done his bit. He's gone. Whatever you are saying now will be used against you on the election day 2027. Go Macam saying, let me tell you, people that will never learn. People that will never learn. Now they try. My people, thank you so much. You know, this is a morning time for every Nigerian that loves the country. No matter who the president is, the day Obasanjo will pass. I don't know me and him who go first go. But that day we go still see that they will still come shout. People like all these people. He no get to give power to Junku man today. Then go remember how Junku people take hate them. Now me they tell you. Electricity independence bill, they count that one. How many people if you do am? Right before your governors, they tell you, say, oh, they no fit put power because na federal government, na Buhari make am possible. So even individual, you now go put your own. Okay? Father Godwin, well done. Even you now get right to put electricity for your place, pay government tax, they charge the money. You now, you can do it. Now, are you telling me that Actors does not have the capacity to electrify the full Anambra? Are you telling me that if you come to Imo State, you don't have up to 10 people that each of them can close eye like this and electrify the entire Imo State? Are you telling me that if you go to Enugu State, there is even this governor, forget government money, Mbana where the man. Mbana where the man. I know say the full Enugu State, Mba copying Kano. Kenke Nsoka nazo election Mba G helicopter if he go that time. He can face Nsoka side. In a church it was him na side do decide to give an undo to have the only the money may electrify. No, now these things will not know they look. Now be the most important, the most vital thing. You think say if you get 24 hours electricity, anything concern you with government money? You think say they no go bring factories? Most of all these who make bedima where they inside bush. Look at that one where they catch, where gentle boys catch. How much in Asamoru give them? How much in Asamoru give them? 1.1 million for 10 people to 11 people to share 100,000 each. Carry gun, go they do nonsense. You they tell me say if those people get job where they pay them even 150k or 200 a month, say they go take that risk. You they see them? This is what people don't know. Now, all these things, your life, oga, no witch they disturb your life. No wizard. Forget all these your pastors where they work with politicians, they confuse you. They tell you say that devil. No be devil. Government policies can change your life like this. No be say government go do am. Now policies where they go implement. E go attract investors. Investors wan go meet government to work for them. No, you ordinary people they go come. If you dey work where they pay you 150 now, you go see person wey come, then they manufacture textiles. Textile, this thing, you go there, your insurance dey there, your health insurance dey, everything dey, and they go dey pay you something like 220. Why you go do this one? You go comot, leave am. That person will be forced to increase the money. All these things where our guests dey full market, where all this oga dem, they use them, they do anyhow, carry them for, you no go even see, say make you go hotel, see space. Now so all of them food there, waiting they do there. No. If you no gree do, they no go give you job. Some they go they seize their money. If you talk, they go pay police, use arrest you. But if opportunities there, that man, you no go am anything, you no need to come inside the room. You no need to come outside room. If you no gree, you go to another place. My dear, leave VDM, leave very dark man. All those entertainment people in the follow all these things they do. Okoko will no even see you. You are talking noses. You don't even know how to spell. Autocorrect, anything where they give you, you go type, pay noses. This time when you take type this thing, we will use and go register for this thing. Adult education. Then they talk about Apotec. How many universities how many schools for Southeast you upgrade? FMC Umuahia, Nnamdi Kanu community, go check am. Best hospital for Umuahia and FMC Umuahia. Go check wetin input them. FMC Owerenko. Now all these things, you see this way una take scrutinize this man. If una pay 10% attention like that to your governors, you go no say no witch they follow you. Now why all those politicians and those governors and the senators, politicians, they work hand in hand like this? You understand? They work hand in hand like this. They finish you. This one go they do. But the good pastors where they go to, please let me use this opportunity. I saw one at Blue Alert, and there is a pastor on that Udele. So I want to appreciate you for speaking up when I had issues with all these fake pastors, fake criminals. I appreciate your input. I've been looking for your boy, Adamagaji Innocent, on how to reach out to you. I would have reached out by now. I don't know if everyone has your number. That's why I didn't ask me. I've been trying to reach Innocent. I would have reached you, sir. I appreciate it. At least it's people like you that understand that we are not fighting any religion. We are fighting criminals. And wherever we find them, we will not give them rest. Okigwe General Hospital is now converted to FMC Okigwe with Ndoshi Nonu Dianon. Yeah? Temple Nando Chua, Gentle Nando Chua. Nike de Bilweno. With Ndoshi Nonu Eba and Ageko, onye na-eje n'Okigwe. Ishi na awagodu gawa, ịchọ na ije jekwa yeba ebere kwuo gị isi ebere. Ele na ishi ya. So my wonderful people, I thank you so much for joining us this evening. Like I said, one of our brothers spoke with me today, and we will delve into geopolitics. We delve into the geopolitics, and he brought my attention into something. We are going back to our geopolitical teachings at least 2 times, 3 times a week. We'll be doing it. I will find time, but it will be mostly at night. Either at night or afternoon when I'm around. If I'm not around, then we'll have to wait. Morning, it will be the usual videos, but it will be afternoon videos or night videos. So which one will you people want for the geopolitical video? And this one is not for everybody, now for people who know geopolitics. Now, so which one I want? Evening, late night, like from that kind, 8, 7, 8, 9, or afternoon around 2, 3. Which one do you people prefer? So we'll go back to our normal teachings and do all this. Where all these ones where they claim say they know geopolitics, since why I stop, may them do again now. Okay, night is better, no problem. May they do again now. Evening, okay, then your Saga, see you, my brother. May them do again now. Copy and paste intelligence. Okay, I don't hear. Go they do in the evening. Copy and paste intelligence. Now, when we start, they will start doing geopolitical video again. I was watching them when the Traore Frenzy was holding that. I'm happy my pinned Twitter post. Now, Traore, check when I do it. Even our protest posters, flyers still there here. I go find the flyer, I go there that side. So we still there, and we still know say them no get anything to offer for our content than the thief. You say no, tell you say Iran do waiting. Waiting make America call for a ceasefire and peace talk. If Iran lose. You remember what I tell about Ukraine? Shebi don't wrap up now. This one where Trump say he want send there. No worry. I just pity people that are in Ukraine. The innocent people, those are people I pity. But all these things that NATO is using them to do, you know, when I do the video 2022, go back to my video 2022. Every single thing, that's what it take happen. Every single thing, every single thing. That's what it take happen. And this one now, you don't argue with it, no. Those people, easy people, ISREAL or AEL. I don't know how they spell that their nonsense content where they go thief people land. Please, if you don't know about the Sykes-Picot agreement, I be make we start am now, sef. Shey make we start am. Okay, make I give una tips where people na go research first. Then when we go do the program, I don't know, it won't be this night or it could be this night, depending on how my program is. I will decide whether I will come or I will go leave am later. Go research about the Sykes-Picot agreement. Okay? Let me block one who's with fake accounts. If you read the Sykes-Picot agreement finish, then go and research what happened that led to it. After Sykes-Picot, then go and check the Balfour Declaration. You understand? Now, after that, go read the history of IDF. How they started from 3 terrorist organizations. 1, Haganah. 2, Irgun. 3, Lehi or Lehi, Lehi. Or call them the Stone Gang. Okay? Then after you don't go recite that thing, you wait. When I go to do my video, your brain go to connect all those things. But the foundation is Sykes-Picot agreement. Before the Sykes-Picot, go and check the round table group of Cecil Rhodes, Alfred Milner, and Walter Rothschild. Yes. I will don't call name Abi. We don't call name Abi. Should be the name don't they ring? We don't they bring her closer to home Abi. They start, but my brother, this one don't dey demonetize. I will bring, I will launch another new page. Now that one una go dey give me start. Maybe na that one say we go use dey do this teaching, because nobody teach this thing for free. Go teach and finish. We go still go carry and go. They do like say they don't learn. They don't get sense. They do this. They know they do anything. Empty heads. Maybe this one's why they watch for TV. Empty heads. They don't know anything. My people, thank you so much for joining us this evening. See you soon.